This 2023 Winnebago View 24D is a Class C RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 25 feet 6 inches in length and features a Harmony Decor, Columbian Walnut Cabinetry interior, Sleep 6, stove top burner, awning, TV, air conditioning, oven, water heater, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, external shower, spare tire kit, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, front dinette, front entertainment, mid-kitchen, rear living area, U-shaped dinette. This 2023 Winnebago View 24D is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.